Fertility Crash 2026, Why Birth Rates Are Plummeting on Purpose. Is the 2026 fertility crash engineered by design? Birth rates hit record lows, and they're celebrating. Stick with me, this is Population Control Exposed. Tweaks, engineered crash, repeated, your bloodline, extra chemical leak, 4-step action. Hey truth seekers, before we dive into today's expose, hit that like button. It takes 5 seconds and fuels our fight to question everything. Not subscribed? Join the Q Everything crew and tap the bell for raw, unfiltered truths. Stick with us to the end, I promise it's worth your time. Let's face the crash. X is full of young couples struggling, 2026 global fertility rate 1.6, below replacement. UN celebrates sustainable population. Here's the engineering: plastics, pesticides, vaccines, all contain endocrine disruptors. Leaked chemical industry memo, known since 1990s, production increased anyway. Connect the dots, same elites warning of overpopulation, fund the chemicals poisoning your bloodline. Think it's lifestyle? Wrong. Sperm counts down 60% since 1970, matches chemical rollout. Skeptical? Harvard study buried microplastics in 100% of placentas. Why does this matter? Your family line targeted, fewer children, weaker resistance. What can you do? 4 steps. Filter water, eat organic, detox heavy metals. Test fertility, post results anonymously on X. Avoid endocrine disruptors, plastic-free life. Share this video. Expose the crash. This is your bloodline under attack. That's the truth they're hiding, but we're not done yet. If this hit you hard, smash that like, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Q Everything. Tap the bell to stay in the fight for truth. Drop a comment, what's the biggest lie you're questioning?